block, straight cruising.
Yeah, Nolly Trey flipping on your block, straight cruising. Ankle wrapped up a while back, a nigga bruised it. Who's this? Fresh ass nigga with the stilo, a vicious ego. He hardly ever landed primo. He always got a brand new deck wherever he go. Flexing on niggas at the park like Debo. He keep the hot spots on the D-Lo. If he snap a board, DGK will hook him up with the reload. Never get it mixed up. I'm the one with big nuts, hitting everything. Regular because my switch sucks. Play skate, you'll get fucked. See, I likes to kick butt. Hole in my shoe cause that's a spot where all my grip rubs. I'm in the valley with a bunch of street vandals. We maneuver boards with a clean handle like Kareem Campbell. Soon I'll be rolling through your neighborhood probably. So don't be scared to holler if your ass fucking spot me.
I'll be Nolly Trey flipping on your block, straight cruising. Trey flipping on your block, straight cruising. Nolly Trey flipping on your block, straight cruising. Trey flipping on your block, straight cruising.
Who could bust like this? Wicked frontside flips, only one try. Bitches wanna touch my dick. The homie Manny know a school with a spot so proper. So we go out the gate and hope the cops don't spot us. We mad and fucking senseless, waxing up the benches. Get the cameras out because we stacking up the tricks, bitch. Kick, flip, back, tail was on my hit list until this nigga P-Rod came and did the shit switch. Saw a handrail and figured I could bust on it. Tried to board slide and hit my fucking nuts on it. Stupid homies hype me up, look at my ass now. About to pass out, man, I'm only skating flat ground. Some days I feel like I suck and never try stuff until I watch a skate video and get hyped up. You phony niggas tryna rap, better pipe down. This shit isn't just a trend, homie, it's a lifestyle.
Nolly Trey flipping on your block, straight cruising. Trey flipping on your block, straight cruising.